Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best smart refrigerator. Here are the top 3 smart refrigerators that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Kenmore French Door Smart Refrigerator. This technical refrigerator entails app usage and voice commands to activate Axila Ice and Max Air Filter and adjust and monitor the temperature. Each unit has a capacity of 27.9 cubic feet, which offers plenty of room to stock up favorite snacks, leftovers and household staples. The dual freezer drawers provide efficient organization of food essentials, with the top drawer for household staples and bottom drawer for prepped meals. It caters a clean flow air filter that renders multi-air flow technology, removing food odors and keeping the interior intact. Kenmore refrigerator possesses humidity-controlled crispers and a gourmet full-width pantry drawer to retain fresh foods and deli favorites. At number 2. Bosch 800 Series French Door Refrigerator. This versatile refrigerator provides astounding features like filtered automatic ice maker, chiller drawer, dual air cool system, and LED lighting. The filtered automatic ice maker automatically makes ice with filtered water to provide cool and refreshing drinks at all times. It has an option of super freezing that protects frozen food from defrosting while adding new food to the freezer. This appliance has a bright LED lighting throughout the fridge to easily find eatables, beverages, and other food essentials. It offers a 20.7 cubic feet capacity that ensures ample storage options and a stock that would last for days without any spoilage. At number 1. LG Smart Wi-Fi Refrigerator. This dual fridge/refrigerator provides ample space to store all the food essentials required for a family with a capacity of 22.5 cubic feet. Its design features include an InstaView window, door-in-door, and a cold saver panel to prevent food spoilage. The individual capacities include 13.50 cubic feet for fridge and 9.2 cubic feet for freezer to provide sufficient storage. It comes with a smart ThinQ registered technology that can control key features from anywhere. Located at the front of the refrigerator, the easy-reach compartments with sliding lids are handy for storing smaller food items. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.